Ever struggled with a heavy, loud gas trimmer and ended the day with sore arms? You're not alone. We've been through it too. And it's one of the reasons we wanted something better. That's when we came across the Sunseeker 60-volt commercial series grass trimmer and brush cutter. We have been using it for weeks now. We've used it in our yard and even tested it in some irregular places. And after all that real work and tinkering, we decided to walk you through the tool. How did this grass trimmer perform over time? How does it easily overtake any gas-powered trimmer? And should you ditch your older one for this? Well, the answer is your call. For now, let's see what we have got. So, here's our big, robust grass trimmer. The first thing we want to mention about it is it's a 2-in-1 tool that lets you switch between a string trimmer and a brush cutter. Among the two available models, we have the CBC7910P in our hands, which gives you the choice to plug in the battery directly or use it with a backpack battery for longer jobs. When getting a new trimmer, you look for the weight first. On that side, the tool weighs around 10.4 pounds, which is, we can say, maintains the standard of its similar models. To be honest, 10.4 pounds is much lighter than it sounds. And you can ask why. We will say for the handles. The handles feel comfortable enough in your hands. The front one adjusts quickly, depending on your height or how you prefer to hold it. Plus, the tool also comes with an IPX4 weatherproof rating, which means a light rain won't stop your work, though we haven't faced such weather yet. So, about the first impression, the overall build feels solid and well thought out. It's not one of those good-looking trimmers with no real value. Now, the real bet: power and efficiency. To bring out those numbers of motor, power, and blades, the simple thing we found about this trimmer is you can unhesitantly replace your gas-powered trimmer with this one, because it runs on a 2-kilowatt brushless motor, which is powerful enough to match a 50cc gas trimmer. We tested it on a 40 by 40 foot overgrown lot filled with tall grass, weeds, and even small saplings, and it handled everything without slowing down. Plus, the trimmer comes with 16.5-inch cutting swath and 0.095-inch line. This combination helped us move quickly, and when we switched to the 10-inch brush cutter blade, it powered through the tougher stuff with ease. Not every job needs full power, especially when you're just trimming light grass. That's why this trimmer gives you two speed settings, 4,500 RPM and 5,800 RPM, so you can choose the one that fits the task. We found the lower speed especially useful for cutting smaller grass, where you don't need all the extra power. It will also save some battery life. However, this trimmer also has a smart airflow system that keeps the motor cool, even when you use it for longer sessions. Now, let's talk a bit more about usability and comfort, because for us, comfort matters the same as power does. So, one of the biggest differences you'll notice right away is how easy it is to start. No pulling cords or mixing gas, just press a button and you're good to go. Here, you'll find a digital display placed conveniently near your thumb, and it shows important info like speed, battery level, and alerts. Now, you always know what's happening while you work. Since it's a 2-in-1 tool, swapping between the trimmer and brush can be another concern. Well, don't be, because this trimmer has a simple, quick connect system that allows shifting to a brush cutter in seconds. And to reduce vibration and strain, there's a Tecumseh nylon head that maintains everything. The soft grip also plays an important role here. Meanwhile, the balanced weight just makes it a tool that almost anyone can use easily, even for bigger cleanup jobs. So, the big question again. Is the Sunseeker 60-volt grass trimmer better than gas? Well, from our end, yes it is. Gas trimmers can be frustrating. They're noisy, hard to start, and messy. You need to refuel, deal with exhaust fumes, and handle regular maintenance. Meanwhile, this battery-powered grass trimmer takes all of that out of the picture. You press one button and it starts instantly. It's quiet enough that you can talk while working. There's no smoke, no spills, and no fuel costs. And if we talk about the motor, it just feels even stronger than our old gas model. Plus, the cutting results are cleaner and more even. The only thing you'll need to manage is charging the battery, but with options like a 4.0 amp hour battery or 25.0 amp hour backpack battery, you can pick how many hours you're going to play with this trimmer. Well, we had great fun every time we used it. That felt like a Fruit Ninja game. You just place it, and the overgrown grasses are gone. No hassle, no strain, no annoying sound. Overall, it feels like a cleaner, quieter, and smarter way to take care of your lawn. So the big question is, where are you going to find this trimmer? Well, the answer is simple. You can get it on Sunseeker's official website, on Amazon, and even check its availability at Home Depot. For your convenience, we'll include the purchase link in the description below. It's fairly priced, especially when you consider the savings on fuel and maintenance compared to gas trimmers. Plus, it comes with a 2-year warranty, which adds some peace of mind. The good and the not so bad about our Sunseeker 60-volt commercial series grass trimmer. Honestly, there weren't really any downsides. If you're looking for comfort, this tool checks all the boxes. If you care about power and runtime, it offers a heavy-duty motor along with a wide range of battery options. And if you're not a fan of bulky tools, this trimmer keeps things lightweight and manageable. Above all, it gives you quiet operation, an easy one-button start, and a flexible setup. So your lawn care task will turn into something you might actually enjoy instead of dread. Oh, and it's budget-friendly too. So, if you're ready to let go of your loud, high-maintenance gas-powered trimmer, this might just be the right one for you. Have questions or already using it? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think.